Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Let me ask you a simple question. When was the last time you really enjoyed a cup of tea, slowly, quietly, without checking your phone or thinking about your next task? In our busy lives, we often drink tea without thinking. We drink it while working, while scrolling on our phones, or while talking to someone. But today, I want to talk about the beauty of enjoying a cup of tea slowly. This may sound simple, but it can be a very deep and meaningful experience. When we drink tea slowly, we give ourselves a break. We give our mind and our body a few minutes to rest. We stop rushing. We stop thinking too much. We just sit, breathe, and enjoy. Drinking tea slowly is not only about the tea. It is about the moment. It is about being here, right now. It is about feeling calm. It is about finding peace in small things. Many people think that we need big things to feel happy. They think we need a vacation, a party, or a big goal. But happiness often hides in the small things. A smile, a warm light, a kind word, or a quiet cup of tea. Drinking tea slowly helps us see those small things. It helps us slow down and notice the beauty around us. It helps us connect with ourselves again. Let's think about the tea itself. When you prepare tea, you choose a cup, you boil the water, and you wait. This is not fast. It takes a little time, but this time is not wasted. It is part of the experience. It is a quiet moment that you give to yourself. When you pour the water over the tea, you watch the color change. You smell the scent of the tea leaves. You feel the warmth in your hands as you hold the cup. And then you take a sip. The taste is soft. It may be sweet or strong or fresh. You close your eyes and just enjoy that one sip. You are not thinking about emails, work, or problems. You are just here drinking tea. This is the magic of slow moments. They bring us back to the present. In the present, we often feel more peace, more joy, and more control. We do not feel pulled in many directions. We feel grounded. We feel safe. Some people drink tea in silence. Others like to listen to soft music. Some enjoy it in nature, others next to a window. It does not matter how or where you drink it. What matters is that you are present, that you are not rushing, that you are not just drinking tea to finish it. You are drinking tea to enjoy it slowly, deeply, and with love. You may wonder why this is important. You may say, "It's just tea. Why should I care?" But here's the truth. When we learn to enjoy small things, we become better at enjoying life. Life is full of small moments. If we wait only for big ones, we miss so much. A slow cup of tea teaches us how to enjoy life better. It teaches us to pause, to feel, to breathe, and to live. Think about the people who drink tea in different cultures. In Japan, there is the tea ceremony. It is not only about the drink. It is about respect, peace, and connection. In England, tea time is a moment to stop the day, to share, to relax. In Morocco, tea is shared with guests as a sign of love and welcome. All around the world, tea is more than a drink. It is a way to slow down, to connect, to feel. So, why not bring this to your own life? You don't need a special cup. You don't need perfect tea. You just need time. Just a few minutes each day to sit down and drink slowly. This is a gift you can give yourself. A gift of peace. A gift of stillness. A gift of presence. When we enjoy tea slowly, we learn patience. We wait for the water to cool. We wait for the leaves to release their flavor. We do not rush. Then slowly, we learn to be patient in other parts of life, with people, with problems, and with ourselves. This is one of the biggest lessons from tea. Life does not always need to be fast. Fast is not always better. Sometimes slow is wise. Slow is kind. Slow is strong. In a slow moment, we can think clearly. We can feel deeply. We can understand better. That's what tea can teach us. Sometimes we are sad or tired or confused. In those moments, a slow cup of tea can help. It cannot fix everything, but it can give us space. Space to breathe. Space to cry. Space to smile. Space to remember that we are human, that we need rest, that we need care. You can also enjoy tea with others. Invite a friend. Make tea together. Sit and talk. Or sit in silence. Share the moment. This is not about talking a lot. It is about being together. It is about presence. Many friendships grow stronger in simple moments like this. We do not always need big events. We need real connection. We need time. And tea gives us that time. Try this tomorrow by waking up, making your tea, and doing nothing else. Just drink it slowly. Feel the moment and simply be present. You may be surprised. You may smile. You may cry. You may remember something important. You may feel love. You may feel peace. This is the beauty of enjoying a cup of tea slowly. It opens a door inside us. A door to stillness. A door to kindness. A door to the now. Many of us run through life. We are always moving, always planning, and always thinking. But life is not only about goals. It is also about moments. And moments pass quickly. If we do not slow down, we miss them. A cup of tea helps us slow down. Helps us catch those moments. Helps us remember what matters. So next time you hold a warm cup, hold it with care. Drink it with love. Give it your time. And let it give you peace. That is the power of a slow cup of tea. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you try it. I hope you feel it. And I hope it brings you a little more calm, a little more joy, and a lot more presence in your day.